Hi folks, welcome back to the Monkey's Uncle Dubs Club. Now, if you've seen the earlier videos and you subscribe to the channel, you will have noticed that I did a dehumidifier, a homemade dehumidifier, out of a plastic tub and some cat litter. Go and look at that other video, it's down the link in the description below, and have a look at that one. If you haven't got a plastic tub in the description, I'm sure you will have old socks lying around. And this is a different version of the dehumidifier which I use in the camper van. You can see you can use them around the home if you wanted to, or in your motorhome, or in your own vehicle. Simply what you'll need is an old sock and a good amount of cat litter. And if you're wondering what this is for, this is to pop into the top of the sock to make things a little bit easier when you're pouring the cat litter. So I'll just put that in there, like so, inside an old toilet roll or kitchen roll will do, and just slowly top up the sock. Just keep making sure it feeds down. You can reuse these over and over again. Just bring them inside. What I tend to do is have a couple on the go and put them on the radiator, let them dry out. And it's just to prove to yourself, if you wanted to, say just weigh them again and you'll see how much moisture they have actually trapped. And once you've had them on top of the radiator for a day or two, they'll be dried out again. And you can put them back in your camper van or motorhome or your car. And you've got a cheap, almost free, as the big bag of cat litter was, I think it was about £1.50 for a large bag. So I made a few of these up. So there we go. So now, if you wanted to, you can tie that off, or you can use these food clips, and that'll prevent it from coming out. And then you've got a cheap, free, almost, dehumidifier for your camper van, motorhome or car, or even indoors. If you like the video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe. See you next time on the Monkey's Uncle Dubs Club. Thanks for watching.